Understanding VMware Cloud Foundation architecture is critical. It's one of the most tested areas in the exam. If you can't clearly connect compute, storage, and networking, even simple questions get tricky. This video is for VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0 Administrator exam candidates who want to pass on the first attempt. You'll go through focused practice scenarios on architecture and core technologies to build clarity and answer with confidence. If you missed the previous video, check the link on screen. Now let's dive into the concepts that really test your understanding. Question 1. What type of architecture does VMware Cloud Foundation primarily represent? A. Monolithic architecture. B. Software-defined data center. C. Peer-to-peer architecture. D. Traditional three-tier architecture. Pause and focus on how VMware abstracts infrastructure. The correct answer is B. Software-defined data center, SDDC. VMware Cloud Foundation is built on the SDDC model, where compute, storage, networking, and management are fully virtualized and delivered as software. Question 2. Which component provides compute virtualization in VMware Cloud Foundation? A. NSX. B. vSAN. C. ESXi. D. SDDC Manager. Pause and think about which layer actually runs workloads. The correct answer is C. ESXi. ESXi is the hypervisor that enables compute virtualization by allowing multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical host. Question 3. Which technology standardizes storage across VMware Cloud Foundation environments? A. VMFS. B. RAID. C. NFS. D. vSAN. This is about software-defined storage, not traditional methods. The correct answer is D. vSAN. vSAN provides a standardized software-defined storage layer across VCF environments, eliminating the need for external storage systems in many cases. If you want to go deeper into architecture-based scenarios, PrepBolt offers VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0 Administrator exam practice questions designed to match real exam difficulty. It's especially useful for mastering these conceptual topics. Question 4. Which technology enables network virtualization in VMware Cloud Foundation? A. NSX. B. VLAN. C. TCP/IP. D. DNS. Pause and look for the VMware native networking solution. The correct answer is A. NSX. NSX enables software-defined networking, including logical switching, routing, and microsegmentation. Question 5. VMware Cloud Foundation is designed to support which type of cloud architecture? A. Only private cloud. B. Only public cloud. C. Hybrid cloud. D. Edge-only deployments. Pause and think about VMware's multi-cloud strategy. The correct answer is C. Hybrid cloud. VMware Cloud Foundation is built to support hybrid cloud environments, allowing seamless integration between on-premises infrastructure and public cloud platforms. Question 6. What is a key benefit of standardizing infrastructure in VMware Cloud Foundation? A. Increased hardware dependency. B. Reduced scalability. C. Simplified management and consistency. D. Manual configuration requirements. Pause and focus on operational efficiency. The correct answer is C. Simplified management and consistency. Standardization reduces complexity, improves automation, and ensures consistent deployment across environments. Question 7. Which component is responsible for centralized management in VMware Cloud Foundation? A. ESXi. B. SDDC Manager. C. NSX. D. vSAN. This ties architecture with operations. The correct answer is B. SDDC Manager. SDDC Manager provides centralized control and automation for the entire VMware Cloud Foundation stack. These questions test how everything fits together, not just what each component does. Understand the relationships, and you'll answer faster with confidence. We'll cover more real exam scenarios in the next videos. Practice consistently to pass. Start solving VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0 Administrator questions on PrepBolt. Like, subscribe, and keep moving toward your certification.